Here's the correct way to add collaborators on YouTube. Follow and like, and let's get started. First, open YouTube and click your profile icon in the top right, then go to YouTube Studio. Click Create, then Upload Video, and select your video file. Fill in your title, description, thumbnail, playlist, and audience settings like you normally do. Next, scroll down and click Show More. Find the Collaborator section and click Invite a Collaborator. Search for the channel you want to collaborate with, select it, and choose whether to share analytics or not. Then click Create Link, copy the link, and send it to your collaborator. Your collaborator just needs to open the link, accept the request, and once they do, the collaboration will appear on both channels, helping you reach a wider audience. After that, click Save and finish uploading your video. Follow and like for more tips.